All right, y'all, we are parked in the victory ramp, but as far as elevators go, we're not going to have a victory here.
Look, no trespassing. Well, we're patrons.
We're parked here.
We're parked here. So let's go look at it. Look at that. There's a burger bar. We want you to enjoy St. Paul.
Yeah.
Do you think we enjoyed St. Paul today?
It was okay, except for that stupid security guard. But are we going to have a victory on the elevator?
I don't know. Let's go find out. Is it vintage or is it modern?
It's just like
knowing the trends.
every St. Paul parking garage.
Every parking garage in all of like Minneapolis and Minnesota. I wonder what's in here.
Oh wow, look at this.
Innovation Bruiser.
He's probably old Weston.
You want to know why it's called a bruiser?
These don't.
I'll show you why it's called a bruiser. Because when you see them, you get so angry you want to punch a wall and you get a bruise on your fist.
What I call it? All right, let's enjoy this. Here gonna be.
Basement. Going up.
This is about as exciting as it gets. Go to 3.
Floor 8. Going down.
All right, can I get over there?
Yeah.
Here we go, 3. And there's Jason waving at the camera. Are you waving at the camera?
Yeah.
Floor 3.
And here we are. All right, he has to place the button.
Not very exciting.
So we don't get to watch the doors close right away.
That was not very exciting.
Where's the car?
Hidden way up this way, somewhere. So, well, I guess we'll show the car.
Yeah, where is it?
We have to go up a half level. It's like on 3 and a half. There it is. There's the golf cart.
Yeah, it's right up there.
Cool. All right. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah, that'll be it. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.